Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Finding points of inflection for this function is actually super fast if you know the trick. Let's break down the derivative and solve this together. First, we identify that the given expression is already the derivative of our function. Since we need points of inflection, we must look for where the second derivative changes its sign. Next, we graph this derivative function on our calculator for the interval between -1 and 5. We are looking for the local extrema where the slope of this graph is 0. Finally, we count the peaks and valleys. There are exactly 2 local extrema, meaning we have 2 points of inflection. Option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps for success.